Today I have a video of very happy mail. Sorry, I even forgot to say hi to all of you who gathered to share with me the happiest moment, because I will be opening this surprise box. Yes, I know what is inside and I'm so incredibly happy. This is a gift from my friend. I know that I promised to you that I won't be mentioning your name, but at least I hope that you know that how happy you makes me, and how beautiful is this gift, and how generous, of course. So now I'm going to open this huge box. I don't know how, but I think that I will manage. Sorry for the noise. Just a moment. It was a difficult task, but I managed to open it. And look how cute is the package and how carefully it packed. Because inside we have my new beauties. I will read it after. Just look how cute is this postcard. Such nice colors. And here we have finally and just need to find it. And this is absolutely amazing set of ta-da! Nail color crayons by Caran d'Ache. It's absolutely a set of my dreams. They are fantastic. I'm so eager to start trying them, and I saw so many beautiful works in Instagram where colorists create beautiful backgrounds, and I hope that one day I also will manage to do something similar. So I am so happy when I have a possibility to try new art supply, and I am also just without any words from the kindness of people who send me such wonderful gifts and give me this possibility to create, to dream, to make something beautiful. And I hope that I will be able to share my experience and my thoughts about these crayons with you, and to create another helpful tutorials. Thank you again, my friend. This is the happiest day. I just can't believe that I own such a huge set of the 84 colors, and I think that I will open it just now, immediately. Look how gorgeous they are. Wow, here we have the water-resistant wax pastel. And here we have some information how to use them in different techniques. Very interesting coverage, mixing, scraping, decoration, rubbing. Wow! And here we also have different colors, and new colors are available in sets of different sizes. I believe that it's more than 120 colors, and they have even the sets dedicated to the different seasons, like winter, like spring set, like fall set. But I'm absolutely happy with my set because it's 84 and they are so beautiful. Just look at this range of my favorite colors. This magenta, this violet. This one is gorgeous. It has this paper cover and they are big. It's 10 centimeters. And we have the first tray, and then they are heavy. I'm mistaken, so we even have the metal tray. That's why they were so heavy when I got the package. It's so convenient to have a metal tray. And here is the second part of crayons here. Look how gorgeous are browns. I love that they have this very interesting colors of the yellowish greens and nice magenta reds and brown reds. Absolutely beautiful. And we also have, I think it's gold, it's bronze and gold and silver. So we also have metallic crayons here. Wow! I'm so eager to start doing swatches. I just don't know on what paper I have to do swatches, on the smooth or maybe on the rough one like watercolor paper, but I think that I will try on both kinds. As usual, when I'm nervous and happy, I forgot all my English words, so just let me play a little bit with the package and then I will start to do swatches, and I think that I put it as the second part of this video. I hope that in my next videos I will share with you my experience about mixing them, about activating them with water, about using them with color pencil, with watercolors and acrylic paints, and then I will be able to do beautiful backgrounds just like I saw in Instagram, and these pictures were a huge inspiration for me. Again, I wanted to say a huge thank you for this generous, wonderful gift, very thoughtful, and it's a perfect art supplies for me, just what I like and what I dreamed about for a very long time. Thank you, and may all of you have such a wonderful and generous friends around. Happy coloring to all of you!